Just to, for those of you that know us, we won't need an introduction, but we're London Irish lads. We're 61 years old, a pair of us. We, growing up, we was the only time we thought we was English is when we went to school at the age of 5. And before that, we thought we lived in Dublin. And we got with mum and dad, and mum and dad were Dubliners, and the music goes back to then. And we've only had the chance now, late in life, to actually be able to sit up here and do it. And it's in our hearts, and we do a little bit of Welsh stuff as well. But we have, I think we have some good Welsh singers here tonight, so perhaps we might not embarrass ourselves. Yeah, but we will be doing one a little bit later, and we'll have our man back up and the fiddle and the mandolin. Perhaps Dan might join us. Where's Dan? Is he here? Dan might said he might do it.
He's just touching the loo now.
But what we'll do, we'll start off just with 2 or 3 by ourselves, and we'll see how we get on, and we'll just do them first 3
I have to start by feeling really threatened by all these musicians that have been performed.
I feel threatened because I haven't got a point.
Have you got something
I'll be there now. Oh, good evening, Hartley, Charlie, no, we tried to find you well. If you'll gather all around me now, the story I will tell. I have a situation, be God and be God. I can whisper right the week, we waited 19 bad. 12 months come October since I left me night at home. After helping in Killarney, boys, the heads of the hardest gone. Now I wear a handsy around me waist and belt. I'm the gaffer of the squad that plays the hot ash belt. We laid it in the hollow and we laid it in the flat. And if it doesn't last forever, sure that's where I laid me hat. I wandered up and down the wood, sure I never felt any surface that was equal to the hot ash belt. Oh, the other night a copper company says to me, Maguire, will you kindly let me nightly welcome at you by the fire? He clanked and turned right up in front, on nails in the plate. Said I'm me decent man, you better go and find a bait. You upped and yelled and down on me, I'm up to all your pranks. Don't I know you were a traitor from the Tipperary ranks? I hit him right from the shoulder, right, I gave him such a belt. I knocked him into the boiling bowl of hot ash melt. We laid it in the hollow and we laid it in the flat. And if it doesn't last forever, sure the terror in the hat. I wandered up and down the wood, sure I've never felt any surface that was equal to the hot ash melt. Well, we quickly drew the mountain and we put him in the tub. And with soap and water, we began to roll his throat. The devil the thing they hard, and they turned his heart and stone. Was everyone for miles around to hear the papa groan. I'm thinking, said O'Reilly, that is looking like a Nick. And burn me if I'm not inclined to climb it with me pick. Said I, it would be easy to boil it till he melt, and to stir it nice and easy in the hot ash melt. We laid it in the hollow and we laid it in the flat. And if it doesn't last forever, sure it's there a leaky hat. I wandered up and down the wood, sure I've never felt any surface that was equal to the hot ash melt. You may talk about your sailor lad and slingers and the rest, the ocean anchors and your sailor, but treat the ladies best. The only boys who know the way that Brody has them out, and the lads around the boiler making hot ash melt. With rubbing and with scrubbing, sure it can't be that the toe. For scientific purposes, the body it was sown. And the Calvin Grove and hanging boys are hanging in me belt, as a monument to the Irish making hot ash melt. We laid it in the hollow and we laid it in the flat. And if it doesn't last forever, sure it's there I leave me hat. I wandered up and down the wood, sure I've never felt any surface that was equal to the hot ash melt. We laid it in the hollow and we laid it in the flat. And if it doesn't last forever, sure it's there I leave me hat. I wandered up and down the wood, sure I've never felt any surface that was equal to the hot ash melt.
It does that, doesn't it? You've got to
These are James Hopper.
I haven't got that. Ooh, thank you. Ooh, matron. That was called the hot ash felt.
Any of you heard that one before or not?
Gypsy Queen, so that's
I
the
did.
system.
I did a trick for a while.
Oh, right.
I've got one that doesn't do that. It's grand.
I got one.
Yeah. Where did John? John? They're normally joining on Sally Wheatley. I don't know.
What are you doing?
Sally Wheatley, the strings, you join in on that, don't you? So we'll not do that just yet then. So, Liverpool, you don't join in, do you?
Oh, come on, Liverpool and stuff.
I'm not happy, see. I'm not happy.
Join in on the chorus if you know it.
Oh, Liverpool, lovely Liverpool, why don't you behave just like other girls do? Why must my poor heart keep following you? Oh, stay home and love me, my Liverpool. When I go out walking, I hear people talking, school children playing. I know what they're saying. They're saying you'll leave me, that you will deceive me. In the morning you'll leave me, all packed up and gone. Oh, Liverpool, lovely Liverpool, why don't you behave just like other girls do? Why must my poor heart keep following you? Oh, stay home and love me, my Liverpool. The sound of the river is telling me ever that
on to it. I know where Sarah is. She's on
Over there. What's that?
Sarah's on the end of the cigarette somewhere.
Oh no, they do that.
Hang on. Why we did that, didn't we? We know that.
Do that one.
They got,
Do that one.
they got this.
Oh, right. Okay.
I've never seen you two with a music stand before. What's that all about?
With a what?
I've never seen you with a music
Well, I
stand.
can't read it when it's on the floor.
It's when the tips they get working on their image.
Yeah.
Classic.
I use it as a crutch.
You look more involved when you've got a music stand. It looks like you're reading music.
Well, it's up to this one.
Yeah.
This is obviously a bit of an Irish culture thing, and we have a song about Cardiff. I'll tell you that. It's Democrat Cymraeg, it's in English, but it's about Cardiff. And it's about Grangetown. And you know it.
Really?
Yes.
I am a deep-sea sailor, and in Cardiff I was born. I sailed 3 times round Roebuck Lake and halfway round Cape Horn. So pin your ears back one and all and listen to my tale of how we sailed down Riverside to hunt the Grangetown whale, with the blowing of his blow and the flourishing of his tail. You'll never see the equal of the mighty Grangetown whale. One soggy Thursday morning in the year of '79, we sailed south from Pontcanna across the murky brine. We stopped in Cathedral Road and with very little fuss we sank a Spanish galleon at a number 7 bus, with the blowing of his toll and the flourishing of his tail. You'll never see the equal of the mighty Grangetown whale. We anchored at the West Cape then to take on fresh supplies. Several dozen crater dark and a couple of Clark's meat pies. We headed west for Canton on a couple of vans sail and made our way down Neville Street to hunt the Grangetown whale, with the blowing of his gold and the flourishing of his tail. You'll never see the equal of the mighty Grangetown whale. We headed in for Forest Farm, by this time scarcely sober. Then we struck a traffic light, and our gallant pond turned over. Our captain and his dog were drowned beneath a lurking pole. I couldn't wait for the 56 and somehow struggle home, with the blowing of his toll and the flourishing of his tail. You'll never see the equal of the mighty Grangetown whale. Now I'm the only man alive who's lived to tell the tale of how we sailed down Riverside to hunt the Grangetown whale, with the blowing of his toll and the flourishing of his tail. You'll never see the equal of the mighty Grangetown whale.
Can't do that one again.
I've not heard that before.
Can't do that one.
Frank Hennessy, innit?
Is it?
Can we invite some of our friends up? To,
Yeah, can we have some of our friends up with us? Please. I think we should just get all the chairs round here and then we'll all be at the same level. Three chairs. Sarah, John, Sarah, John.
Right.
Oh, string section.
This looks good, doesn't it? This looks good.
It sounds terrible. He looks good.
I'll get
Do you want to join in, Dan? Want to get a seat up here?
I tell you what, you just need confident organising this. Could have been your own kids.
No audience left.
Yeah,
Come on up here.
this could have been.
Okay, on the other side. Mandolin, yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, knock feet on you when he tips the string section and odd when they're going to do it, so you can, that's when you do your bit. So for the song, Cavalbaro, okay, this is called Dirty Old Town.
Dirty old bastard.
I met my love by the Cascade Wall. Dreamed a dream by the old canal. I kissed my girl by the Blackheath Hall. Dirty old town, dirty old town, dirty old town. Dirty
Well, I'm most depressed and sad. Where I once was light and glad, I could trip around the town, talking and be clean. I was happy night and morn, and from all such joys I'd shorn, since the bells had been love with Sally Weekly. And it's oh dear me, what am I gonna do? Sally's stole away my heart completely, and I'll never get it back, for she danced with Mr. Black, and his lady's going to marry Sally Weekly. Well, I never saw such a lass, and I know she likes her glass. She can tip a pot of whiskey over easy. It's all right to take a drop, when you know just when to stop, and that was just the very way with Sally Weekly. And it's oh dear me, what am I gonna do? Sally stole away my heart completely, and I'll never get it back, for she comes with Mr. Black, and this lady's going to marry Sally Weekly. Well, how I felt I didn't know, the first time I Sally saw, in the fishing reel she hopped absolutely. Well, I might have had a chance if I'd asked her up to dance, till I was always shy and sweet, Sally Weekly. And it's oh dear me, what am I gonna do? Sally stole away my heart completely, and I'll never get it back, for she comes with Mr. Black, and this lady's going to marry Sally Weekly. There you go, then. Well, he must have made it right when he took her home that night. Because after work restaurant, he sees her nightly. There's great danger in delay, and I wouldn't be sad today if I had my heart to break to Sally Weekly. And it's oh dear me, what am I gonna do? Sally stole away my heart completely, and I'll never get it back, but she comes with Mr. Black, and this lady's going to marry Sally Weekly. And it's oh dear me, what am I gonna do? Sally stole away my heart completely, and I'll never get it back, for she comes with Mr. Black, and this lady's going to marry Sally Weekly. Sorry, I got totally confused. Sorry about that. I'm taking it off. I'm so unlucky. I'm so unlucky. If I was in a marching band, I'd be the one playing the piano. Right. Tell me what. Tell me what? Yeah. We'll drink in the middle of that, yeah?
Yeah, do.
Oh, I was doing my own capo.
I tell me ma when I get home, the boys won't leave the girls alone. My hair and stone to go, but
Loudest. It's called, we have this guy sing for us now, this one.
Don't go down the line, standing up, it's like impact.
We have this guy sing for us, which is very good.
Yeah, go on.
By a lone prison wall, I heard a young girl calling. Oh, my girl, they have taken you away. They stole Trevelyan's corn, and the young might see the morn. Now a prison ship lies waiting in the bay. Lord, light of fear from Athenry, where once we watched the sultry birds fly. Our love was on the wing, we had dreams and songs to sing. It's so lonely round the fields of Athenry. By a lonely prison wall, I heard a young man calling. Oh, nothing matters to Mary when you're free. Against the famine and the drought, I rebel, they put me down. Now you must raise a child with dignity.
a bit of culture melting. Culture melting, yeah.
Come on, come on, boy. Đâu chạy. Ok, so. Hey, boy.
Don't be confused because it sort of develops.
This is a bit, yes. Go with
Well,
it.
did I name in college and the night of fire? Because the nights of Kennedy fight, I walked in your higher. Get a Berlin, I find some price to be. I rose I see how big man, we still show me that he.
Over there, found nothing, I've lived in the externity. And when I hear a story, I'm a head and there with thee. And there's now one morning, going to Carmarthen Fair, I spied a lovely lady with the sunlight in her hair. Now she was all the right one, and the voice went like a bell. And as they overtook the shore, they asked if she was well. Holding down your woman, show my love, I swear it is no joke. And I'll tell to you the story of the old Carmarthen home. Oh, well, well, nothing that in the extent and when I hear the story, I'm a head there with thee. Time is just froze Carmarthen, now the girl I need is there. She asked me why I raised my hand to a tree so often there. So I took her off the legend, if the tree should ever come down, there'd be a great disaster and Carmarthen would be drowned. Falling down your woman, show my love, I swear it is no joke. And I'll tell to you the story of the old Carmarthen home. Oh, if I ever felt nothing happened, hear the hymns that give me. And when I hear the story, I'm a head and there with thee. Lovely daughters and a son to push now young. Wonder because I raised my hand to the old Carmarthen home. Oh, and now show my love, I swear it is no joke. And I tell to you the story of the old Carmarthen home. Oh, if I ever felt nothing happened, here it is that you have me. And when I hear the story, I'm a
Oh, fuck.
No, it's not.
You're a must catch. Make sure that's it.
I can't stand it.
Sorry about that. Yeah, it's me, isn't it? Yeah. It's me all the time. Cheat. No, he's still chatting. Well, don't worry.
In the neat little town they call Belfast, apprenticed in trade I was found. And then is the eldest we happiness, though I spent in that neat little town. Well, a sad misfortune came over me, which caused me to stray from the land, far away from my friends and companions, to all the black velvet land. Her eyes they shone like diamonds, I thought her the queen of the land, and her hair fell over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. As I went walking down Broadway, not intending to stay very long, while the hooves were gave me one night pretty Mary, and she came tripping along. She was both fair and handsome, her naked was just like a swan, and her hair hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. Her eyes they shone like diamonds, I thought her the queen of the land, and her hair hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. I took a walk with this pretty fair maid, and a gentleman passing along. I knew she meant the doing of him when a look in her roving black eye. I know what she took from his pocket and placed it right into my hand. And the very next thing that I said was bad luck to her black velvet band. Her eyes they shone like diamonds, I thought her the queen of the land, and her hair hung over her shoulder, tied up with a black velvet band. Before the judge and the jury, next morning I had to appear. The judge, she said to me, young man, your case it is true.
Cloudy, Peter and Paul, thanks. I had no idea they were going to get it. But you can stay where you are now if you want to, essentially. You don't. You can play where you are now if you want to. I don't have to insist on moving anything around. This is the part that's your part, right? Really, if you want to do what you like to do at the end of nights with. Just another email, whatever. I know it is getting late. If there's anything you'd like to play,
Yeah, finish.
carry on.